This is Nate at Tailored Detail WëRKS of Mount Laurel, New Jersey, and today I want to talk to you guys about this. This is the 2025 Ford Bronco. After a long line of history with the Ford Broncos, this is the first one to wear the legendary badge of the Raptor. It's equipped with a 3-liter EcoBoost V6 and Fox suspension, along with an amazing looking body that looks super aggressive. This truck's a beast. Comes from factory with 37-inch tires. As you can tell, this client has it all blacked out. Brought it to us to bring it to the next level. This Bronco Raptor's a brand new make and model, which always is more of a tedious job to take on. We're doing full body coverage, so it's a lot of work in comparison to, say, full front partial coverage. We're also covering non-metallic black paint with a matte film. Non-metallic black is one of the hardest colors to wrap and get a good result with, because there's little to no room for error. Any piece of contamination during the install will show during the final result underneath the film, which can make it very, very tedious. So as a standard at Tailored, all PPF installs include a ceramic coating on top of the film. This vehicle has received a ceramic coating from head to toe. So we installed that on all PPF, all suspension components, wheel faces, glass, plastics, all the way down to the interior to ensure that it was fully protected, giving this customer easier maintenance, enhanced overall look, and ensuring that the finish is protected over years to come. So we knew our client had a vision for a very stealthy look. I had a few ideas with this, so we added in smoked PPF on all of the headlights, fog lights, clearance lights, side view markers. It's very subtle, but I definitely feel that it adds to that stealthy look. We also did ceramic tint on the front 2 windows to match factory rear, along with a 5% brow across the top to block out the sun while he's driving. Projects like this mean a lot to us. Seeing our customers smile with pride, looking at something that they made an investment in, they worked very hard for, means a lot to us. At Tailored, across the whole team, we have a passion for exceeding expectations. This is a no corners cut operation. So once we have our final result, we're proud of it ourselves. We've worked very hard to earn hundreds of 5-star reviews on Google. Making people happy is really the best part about what we do.